Cheese toasties without a toasty maker. Craving a warm, gooey cheese toastie without a toasty maker? No worries. We'll guide you through making American-style cheese toasties, ensuring you don't miss out on the texture or flavor. Our recipe serves one and skips the panini press. For more servings, simply double or triple the recipe as needed. Ingredients: 2 slices white bread, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon mayo, 1 to 2 slices of ham per sandwich, 1 tablespoon butter. Instructions: begin by softening butter and mixing it with mayonnaise. Spread this mixture on each bread slice. Heat a pan on medium and melt a bit of butter or neutral oil. Place 1 slice of bread in the pan, butter mayo side down, to brown. Add cheddar cheese and ham on top, letting it melt and the bread brown. Once melted, place the second slice of bread on top, butter mayo side up. Flip the sandwich to brown both sides evenly. When both sides are golden, remove from heat. Let cool for 2 to 3 minutes before serving to avoid burning your mouth. Why is it called a cheese toastie? In America, a cheese toastie is called a grilled cheese, often made with American cheese. In the UK, a cheese toastie is market food, crispy outside, cheesy inside. Our UK contributor inspired our recipe, highlighting differences. Cheese toasties use fine cheddar and can include ham or meat. We recommend these for authentic taste and richness. Cheese toasties without a toasty maker. Typically made with a toasty maker or panini press, cheese toasties brown the bread and melt the cheese. Without these, you can still enjoy this dish at home by frying and flipping it in a pan, American style. This method, similar to making grilled cheese, delivers a delicious toasty experience reminiscent of the UK.